Hey there, you are in the right place. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix card not working error on your team up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, double check your card details. Make sure you have entered the correct card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. And also make sure your card is active and has sufficient funds. And you may contact your bank to confirm if there are any issues with your account or card. And of course, update the Timo app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any updates that might fix bug causing the error. And another way is to clear the app cache. Just long press the app and then tap Info and go to the storage and tap clear cache. You can try another card or use an alternative method like PayPal if supported. If the issue persists, you may contact the Timo customer support. They can help resolve account or payment issues directly. And that's it. By following this step, you should be able to fix card not working error on your Timo. I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching.